So you're thinking about buying a condo in Orange Beach, Alabama. We are getting ready to walk through our new listing at the Grand Caribbean in Orange Beach, Alabama. We are in an amazing location. We are right in the middle of everything. This building behind us that we're getting ready to take you through was completely redone after Hurricane Sally in 2020. I mean, the siding's new, the windows and balcony doors are new, the railings are new. This particular unit has been completely remodeled. Everything from the floor to the ceiling to the fixtures to everything inside of it. The bathroom is gorgeous. The kitchen is gorgeous. It's only 651 square feet, but they did an amazing job with that 651 square feet. It is one full bedroom, one full bathroom. It also has hall bunks, and the living room is actually a pretty good size. The couch pulls out, so it actually sleeps 6 people. It's a solid rental, and we're right here next to Cotton Bayou boat launch. You can see somebody's getting ready to pull their boat out of the water right now. Looks like they've had a fun day out there with the kids there in the back, and they are pulling this pontoon out. So amazing location here. So right across the street from us is the Cotton Bayou State Park beach access. Absolutely love that beach spot. I went to it all the time when I lived in Orange Beach, and it was my favorite one to go to. So you've got the boat launch right next door. You've got the state park right across the street where nothing's going to be built on it. So you're going to have really good views from this balcony. And this unit is going to be listed at $315,000. So we always tell you, if you're looking for something and you don't have a huge budget, you still will be surprised at what you can find in our beaches. So come on and check this one out with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner, Andy Hollis. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to live here, vacation here, and own property here. So as I mentioned, we're going to walk through our new listing. We've got it listed at $315,000, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, hall bunks, pull-out couch. The dues on this are only $325 a month. This building hasn't gone up on their dues in like 10 years or something like that. And those dues include everything but your power bill and the insurance assessment. So just like most buildings down here, they have had an annual insurance assessment post Hurricane Sally, so they're no exception there, but the dues are amazingly low. Property taxes on this one are about $2,500 a year. They self-manage this unit on Airbnb. So after you take out the lodging taxes, their payouts are actually about $28,000 a year that they're getting off this unit. And so it's a pretty good little buy here for Orange Beach to be in the middle of everything. I mean, and we're going to show you a few things, but you know, we got Coastal right across the way, which is one of our favorite restaurants. As you know, it's right on the beach. It's literally across the street. And then we are also right across the street from Publix. And at Publix, you have more restaurants. You have the Orange Beach store. You've got a lot of souvenir options and other eating and dining options right there at the Publix. So really a lot that this little location has. We are right here at the intersection of 161 and Perdido Beach Boulevard. So you're definitely going to want to check this one out with us, so come take a look.
Turn left off 161, it's right there waiting. Orange Beach sunshine, no hesitating. Boat launch next door, golf across the street. That's the kind of setup you just don't beat. Keys in my hand, cooler in the truck. One look around and I'm already stuck. Some people dream about weekends like this. I'm standing right in the middle of it. From the boat ramp to the beach, everything I need is within reach. Launch at sunrise, get your sunset tan. Cold drink in my hand, toes in the sand. One bedroom, but it feels so free, like a little piece of paradise calling me. Yeah, 335 and the view ain't bad. That's the best kind of math I've ever had. Granite taps in a brand new shine, updated from the floor to the ceiling line. Hallway bunks for the friends to stay, making memories that'll never fade. Balcony breeze in the salty sky, watching boats drift slowly by. Walk to dinner, walk to the store. Life gets easier than ever before. From the boat ramp to the beach, every good thing's within reach. Fishing lines and flip-flop days, living life the Orange Beach way. Wakeboard morning, seafood nights, neon signs and harbor lights. This little condo checks every box, and the good times never stop. 27 grand rolling in a year, while you're making memories down here. Rental income, coastal dreams, sometimes life's better than...
We'll come on into an entryway here.
Catch some redfish later, walk across the road and feel the sand. That's living exactly how you planned, yeah.
We're gonna come on into this really pretty kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, new cabinets. Love the pull-out drawers, the Lazy Susan. They did an amazing job for this square footage. Got the pull-out couch, beautiful tile plank flooring. Big screen TV, renters love that. And we'll go check out the view in just a minute and give you the rest of the tour here. Everything from smooth ceilings, updated light fixtures, fans, furniture, everything has been redone in here. Got some nice storage here with the pantry. Plenty of room in there for store all your groceries and your drinks. You got a full size washer and dryer here, and you got some nice storage shelves above that. And then here we've got the nice hall bunks tucked away right there. And got some pull-out storage underneath there. And then we'll go check out the primary bedroom here. Nice big TV there that they have put in the corner. I like that. Made a great use of that space while still having the mirror and the full dresser in here. Still got a standard closet over there as well. It's nice having the smooth ceilings. You even got some crown up top. And in here you've got the hot water heater and the AC that were both replaced. And bathroom is really nice. Love this bathroom. I love the light they put there. And then the big, huge shower head. And then of course tiled all the way up. Very nicely done. And then the thoughtfulness to put all these shelves at the back. I mean, absolutely love, love, love that. And then this is a really nice tub. This is not your standard cheap tub insert that you see in 90% of these condos. Toilet's been replaced. Some thoughtful towel storage there. And then your high-end vanity mirror. Nice faucet there. Cute vanity cabinet there. And let's go check out the view because it's actually really good. So you got some nice tile out here on this balcony. These railings have been replaced. You know, all the siding's been replaced. Balcony doors. And then really nice view here. That is the state access beach there in Orange Beach. It's called Cotton Bayou Access. Actually, when I lived in Orange Beach, I went there. That was my favorite spot to go. I loved that beach spot. They've got some nice bathrooms right there. It's just a really pretty area and hardly ever full. Obviously, peak season, a little bit different story, but I never had any issues parking there. And then you got this nice green space here. If you did have a dog, plenty of green area to walk. And you even got the doggy bags, doggy station there, the waste station. And then, as I mentioned, right here, Cotton Bayou boat launch. So best of both worlds, right in between two public access points. So as I mentioned, nothing's going to be built right there where the state park is. So the way that we're angled, we will always have a really nice view in this unit. And then there's Turquoise Place off to the distance. And if you know anything about Orange Beach, you know that Cotton Bayou is an awesome place for boating and to put your boat in, and great spot. All right, guys, that is going to just about do it for our video walkthrough of our new listing here at Grand Caribbean in Orange Beach, Alabama. We are right on Perdido Beach Boulevard. As you can see, we are right across the street from the beach. Excellent location. You saw the boat launch next door, Cotton Bayou boat launch. You've got Cotton Bayou State Park across the street. I don't know if you can see the flag, the American flag over there, but that is coastal. You can see coastal. It's very close, definitely walking distance. And then we've got Publix next door as well. Right here, turn, you're on 161. That takes you to Canal Road. Really very, very, very centrally located. For the price point, you know, it is just an amazing opportunity to get a completely renovated building and interior unit for this price. The view on that balcony is actually remarkably good. You don't get quite the traffic noise where they're at, but you still have a great view of the beach. You also have a great view of the boat launch. Couple other things I wanted to make sure I mentioned. This building is very unique in that it allows owners to park a boat trailer on site, which is amazing. There's a gated entrance around back where you can easily pull in a boat trailer. And that is for owners only. They are designated spots. They allow it to be up to 30 feet long. So really very nice feature to have. You basically get the best of both worlds with the boating and the beach, which again is rare to get both of those. Even more rare to get it in this price point. So hope you enjoyed this video and you stuck around and saw what was around here. And till next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh, it feels so right. From sun